Welcome back, Frac Crew. It's Frac Daddy Barbecue. So that means it's one thing and one thing only. It is Frac Daddy Fridays. So guys, I have been in the mood for something different. And I can't explain what it is. But I'll tell you something I've been craving. It's been jalapeno poppers. It's been grilled cheese. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to be like a mad scientist and we're going to combine the two. Bam! That's right. Grilled cheese jalapeno popper coming your way. I'm using some awesome Texas toast. So I got some bacon frying up. You guys don't need to see how bacon fries. So when that step's done, we're gonna get you over there and we're gonna be inside in the kitchen. Alright everybody, so what we're going to need for our first ingredient, I have 4 roasted and mostly de-seeded jalapenos that I did in our Ninja Foodies. So I'm going to add these in. Then we're going to add mayonnaise, which is going to be approximately 1/3 of a cup. If you guys want to follow this recipe to a T, we will insert a link to our heavenly jalapeno dip that we made, which is basically, this is kind of the same concept of what we're doing. So here we have sour cream. We're going to do the exact same thing, at least 1/3 of a cup. This just adds a little bit of more creaminess to your jalapeno popper dip. Next thing we're going to add, we're going to use half a packet of Fiesta Ranch dip and insert cream cheese that we forgot to tell you guys.
Not we.
I'm sorry that I forgot to tell you once again. It's an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. So we'll just add this. Now, our next ingredient, I got this from Chef Johnny on a contest he was doing as a giveaway. So thanks Chef Johnny, for hooking it up with some of this Texas plum line. We absolutely love this stuff. Just add as much as you like. Here we just reusing some old bottles we have. We get these refilled at Central Market, which y'all know we love that place. It's actually cheaper for us to do bulk seasoning. From there you get more and better ingredients. We have some smoked paprika. We're going to add about half a bag of cheese. You can use your favorite kind of cheese you want. You could do pepper jack. You could do, what is it we used for the longest time? I think it was habanero, right?
Habanero, oh yeah.
That was pretty dang good.
Ooh, I forgot we used to do that.
Yeah.
We played ourselves.
We did. But let's give this an old mixy mix, and you guys will see it after it's mixed up. Alright, so everything is mixed together. Now, don't be afraid to try this, because you can try this. I mean, there's nothing raw in it. So let's give it a little taste, and I'll let you know how we like it. Tell you what, the Texas plum line is pretty dang good in this. Now, normally we smoke this on the grill, pellet cooker, or whatever you want. But today, we're just going to do this in our Ninja Foodie. So don't mind these little spots on the bottom. That's where I just roasted these jalapenos, because I didn't want to heat up the oven and heat up the house, because it's only like 1,000,000 degrees outside here in South Texas already. So let's get this in here. It's pretty dang big for this little pot, but oh well. We'll just spread it out.
Oh, you mean a little bit of stuff for the big pot?
Yeah. Whatever I said is
opposite what you originally said.
Yeah. So, all right. We'll take it back over there to our Ninja Foodie. Okay. So here we have it set to bake and roast. We have it set to 375. We're going to go to 15 minutes because our pot is already hot from roasting our jalapenos. So let's hit the little button, shut the lid.
Shut the lid, there we go.
And when this, just before it's done, we will sprinkle some more cheese on top. Okay, so here our dip is done. We just added some cheese. We're gonna put the lid back on. We're gonna melt it up, and then we're gonna assemble our sandwich. All right, so here we have a slice of smoked Gouda. We have a slice of American. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our jalapeno popper dip. We're gonna place it right here. Now to top this all off, oh man, this looks really good already. As if that's not enough, we're gonna add some bacon, because bacon and jalapeno poppers just go together. So there's 3 slices of bacon. Now let's go toast it up. That doesn't make it that much more healthier. All right, let's give her a flip. Oh wait, gotta have more butter, guys. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's cut her open. Let's use my meat cleaver. All right, I will have to tell you guys what. This jalapeno popper sandwich looks killer. I cannot wait to try this. Melissa actually saw this recipe on Facebook, and I thought, hey,
this idea.
Oh yeah, this idea. So why not? Let's give it a try. And I'm excited to try this. Alrighty, let's give this the official taste test. So let's get a close-up of this. Tell you what, this looks good. You got the bacon, you got the dip. That's a jalapeno popper on a bun. So it is messy though. Wow. I'd actually say that has to be pretty darn good. This dip came out just as good as it did on the smoker. This Texas toast, toasted up, just adds a different kind of taste and texture to it than you would if you got with chips. So guys, if you're looking for something out of the ordinary, make your favorite dip and put it on some Texas toast. So guys, until next time, this is Frac Daddy Barbecue, and we will see you later.